Thank you for staying with Newsnight. Now to the financial crisis facing public universities. Egerton University is set to downsize employees at the agricultural-based institution and discontinue 8 degree programs in an ongoing effort to get the cash-strapped institution back on its feet. Vice-Chancellor Professor Isaac Kibwage announced that the changes would be effected once they receive funds from the national government to facilitate the retrenchment exercise. And as Miriam Nyambura now reports, the payroll takes the lion's share of the university funds.
More than 1,000 Egerton University staff Tuesday morning converged for a special address by Vice-Chancellor Professor Isaac Kibwage, perhaps waiting with bated breath to know their fate. The university kicked off the process of retrenching its staff following a notice of redundancy issued twice in the months of December 2022 and February this year.
It is through right sizing that we'll be able to manage the wage bill. It will depend whether the government gives us money or it doesn't do what? It doesn't give us money to retrench you.
The changes have been occasioned by the challenges of funding that public universities are grappling with. The Vice-Chancellor revealed that the institution requires 135.5 million shillings to pay academic staff, 93 million shillings for administrative staff, support staff grade 1 to 4, 16.5 million shillings, and management 3.5 million shillings. The total operation cost is also 60 million shillings. This means that the institution needs a total of 309 million shillings to pay its workers each month and cater for the day-to-day activities. However, the government's capitation of 185 million shillings and 26 million shillings as tuition fees is not sufficient to facilitate the expenditure.
The major debt accumulator is actually the payroll. We know we have serious debts, and these debts, the government is looking into it, isn't it? But when the government clears those debts for us, which we hope they'll do, then we should be in a position of not doing what? Starting accumulating new one.
The university is also discontinuing 8 degree programs, which have not met the minimum threshold of 15 students per program. These courses include Bachelor of Industrial Technology and Bachelor in Integrated Forest Resources Management, among others. Union officials have welcomed the decision by the university management to consult them on the merits used to declare staff redundant.
To be given the justifications for the proposal, and then we are also given the criteria which we are going to subject to scrutiny through our own mechanisms. If need be, we will assemble our team to work with the management.
The financial crisis in public universities across the country continues to deepen, with Egerton University reporting that it suffers a deficit of 99 million shillings in its payroll each month. This prompting the institution to come up with a raft of resolutions to save it from the financial crunch. Miriam Nyambura, Citizen TV at Egerton University, Njoro, Nakuru.